Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by cosine x squared. Next, we have the formula in here. So I will put this one go to the right. Because this is about cosine x squared minus number 1. So we put the negative for the both sides. And we have like this. So this one that is about negative sine x squared. So number 1 that is about this one. So this one divided by this one and this one divided by this one. So we have 1 over cosine x squared plus 1 over sine x squared. So this one that is about secant of x squared. This one that is about cosecant of x squared. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.